What's up, everybody? Welcome back to ATC Revolution. Just want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays, and hope everything's going great with everybody. I figured I'd try out the 4K high definition on this camera, so I'm just gonna do a quick little walk around and see how the 4K turns out here. So I'm not really gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna do a little walk around so you guys can check her out in the 4K resolution. Hopefully this looks much better. Just got done putting the plastic Clark tank on this. Don't look too bad. Had a heck of a time getting it to fit, but it's on there and it holds gas, so we'll see how good that holds up. At least I won't have to worry about rust or dents anymore. Controls. I have been riding it, so it's a little bit dirty. Definitely gotta wash this.